Hey, what's up, Phantom Fam? How is everyone doing? Today's vlog is specific to the KTM Duke 250. It's my first 1000 kilometer servicing, and according to the KTM service booklet, it says that you should service the bike either in the first 1000 kilometers or between 30 to 45 days, whichever comes earlier. So today is the 43rd day and I've completed 1000 kilometers as well as of yesterday. So I booked the service, and I'm here at the size service KTM service KTM service in Wagholi. And I know these guys, so it helps, I think even these guys appreciate that the owners know something about their motorcycle as well. So far there have been no known issues about the Duke 250, so fingers crossed, guys. And I want to focus on what is the servicing cost, the first service cost of the KTM Duke 250, so that it might help the other owners as well. So let's get started. Check this. First servicing here.
First service.
Oh. And welcome back, guys. The servicing is done, and as you can see, I've got the new mirror. Now the service cost in total, I paid 1808 rupees. Let me just break it down. So labor cost out of that, including the tax, was 354. And the material cost, that is 1454 rupees with taxes again. So altogether 1808 rupees. Now as you can see here, it says first service is free, so no cost there. Consumables was 118, right? Chain cleaning, they charged around 236 rupees. Everything is included of tax. Motul oil that I showed was 1139 rupees, 40 rupees if you catch it. Oil filter is about 74 rupees, and the mirror cost is 241. So if you reduce the mirror cost, guys, you will know how much the service cost was for me. So that's it, the service is done. Let's get out of here. I don't know about you guys, but I feel the bike is a little smooth now. Some other things that I got checked was I told the guy, I said every time I was riding through some small potholes or maybe a bad road, I was getting noise from the chain behind, so possibly the chain was loose, and they checked it and it was, so he adjusted it. So thank you to the KTM service guys, Sai service guys, for doing an excellent job. It's about 4:20 right now. I came here after lunchtime. That's what, around yeah, so I spent around 2.5 hours, but they got a place to chill, so it's okay. Not a big deal. So I liked it overall, guys. Good first service experience. No major problems. Like I said, I diagnosed the chain problem completely on my own, and they just verified it and fixed it. So thank you. All in all, happy first 1000 kilometers on the Duke 250, and I will be sharing more in the coming moto vlogs. So that's it, guys, for this moto vlog. I will catch you in the next one. Stay cool, keep a cool head, don't race on the streets. And I will see you in the next vlog, guys. Phantom rides out. Whoop whoop.